Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to off find my device in Redmi. So let us start our video. Firstly move on the setting icon, scroll up. Here you will see setting icon, click on that. After that you will see many option. Scroll up some more, and here you will see many option. You have to click on the lock screen option. Here you will see click on that. After that you will see many option. Sorry friends, you have to click on the scroll up and click on the password and security option. After that scroll up, and here you will see privacy option. Click on the privacy, and after that you will see many option. You have to click on the find my device option. Here you will see click on that, and here you will see our find my device which is already on. So firstly off this. It means that it doesn't help you to locate your device remotely. If your mobile phone will be lost, that will not help you to find your mobile phone. After that click on the back option. So I hope this video helps you to off find my device in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.